Tired of losing your headers when you scroll in Excel? Today, I'll show you how to use free spans, one of the easiest tricks to make your big spreadsheets easier to navigate. Notice how, when I scroll down, I can't see my headers anymore? That's super confusing. To fix that, we simply go to View tab, and then click on Free Spans, and in the drop-down, you click on Free Stop Row. Now once I do that and I scroll down through my data, you see that the headers stay visible. Now when working with this data and we scroll to the right, we notice that we lose the employee names. Let's fix that as well. Again, simply go to the View tab, click on Free Spans, and click on Freeze First Column. Now, watch what happens when I scroll to the right. My first column stays visible. Now, to undo free spans, simply go back to the View tab, go to Free Spans, and click on Unfree Spans. Now, that will remove all free spans we've previously applied. Now, what if we don't want a free span at the first column or at the first row? Let's assume we have a row above the first row, and we want to freeze it at this point. So we want to keep the first 4 columns visible, so the name up to the job title, and we want to keep the first 2 rows visible as well. We simply select the cell to the right of the last column we want to keep visible, and to the bottom of the last row we want to keep visible. In this case, that's going to be cell E3. And we go to Free Spans and click on Free Spans. Now, when I scroll to the right, we see that our columns is frozen up to column D. And also, when I scroll down, our row is going to be frozen up to row 2. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Keep mastering data, and I'll see you in the next lesson.